Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the Coin ZF channel right now, because the story you're about to hear is exactly why smart collectors never ignore the small coins hiding in plain sight. Today we're talking about a 5-cent coin that most people have spent without a second thought. A coin that sat quietly in pockets, jars, and drawers for years. The 2004 Jefferson Nickel. At first glance, it looks ordinary. Common metal, simple design, nothing flashy. But for experienced collectors, especially those who've lived through decades of economic ups and downs, this coin represents something much deeper than 5 cents. In 2004, the United States Mint was going through a transitional period. Jefferson nickels were still being produced in massive numbers, but behind the scenes, subtle changes were happening. Different dies, different pressures, different production speeds. Denver Mint was striking millions of coins, and when production moves fast, small things get missed. That's where opportunity is born. The Jefferson Nickel has always been a coin of the people. It has passed through the hands of factory workers, farmers, soldiers, shopkeepers, and retirees. Men who worked their whole lives understand the value of something durable, something reliable. This coin fits that mindset perfectly. It doesn't shout. It waits. What makes the 2004 Jefferson Nickel interesting is not just its date or mint mark, but its potential. Some examples were struck with sharper details than usual. Others show unusual surface textures, strong steps on Monticello, or subtle minting anomalies that only a trained eye notices. These are not mistakes you see from across the room. These are details you discover when you slow down and really look, the same way seasoned men look at life. Collectors in their late 50s and 60s understand patience. They know value isn't always obvious at the beginning. Many remember times when silver coins were ignored, when wheat pennies were tossed aside. Years later, those same coins became prized possessions. The 2004 Jefferson Nickel carries that same quiet promise. Condition is everything with this coin. A worn example is just history. A well-preserved example is a conversation starter. And a high-grade piece with strong strike quality becomes something else entirely. It becomes proof that even modern coins can grow into serious collectibles. This is why experienced collectors keep magnifying glasses close and never assume a coin is worthless just because it's recent. There's also a psychological side to this coin that many younger collectors miss. Older collectors lived through periods of inflation, recessions, and financial uncertainty. They understand that tangible items matter. A coin is real. You can hold it. You can pass it on. The Jefferson Nickel represents stability in a world that keeps changing rules. The Denver Mint mark matters here. The D is not decoration. It tells a story of where the coin was born, under what conditions, and in what quantities. And within those quantities, only a small fraction stand out as truly collectible. That's where knowledge separates spenders from collectors. Many men watching this video likely remember carrying nickels that bought real things. Coffee, candy, bus rides. That emotional connection adds another layer of value. When a collector holds a 2004 Jefferson Nickel in top condition, it connects past and present. It reminds us that history doesn't end. It keeps being written, even in 5-cent pieces. What makes this coin powerful is not hype. It's realism. It's the understanding that value grows where attention is rare. Millions of people ignore this coin. A few study it. Fewer still preserve it properly. Those few are the ones who benefit. This is why serious collectors don't laugh at modern coins. They evaluate them. They compare strikes. They look for anomalies. They protect high-grade examples. And they wait. Waiting is something experienced men are good at. They've waited for promotions, for markets to recover, for opportunities to come back around. The 2004 Jefferson Nickel fits perfectly into a long-term mindset. It's affordable to start with. It's easy to store, and it carries potential that most people don't see yet. That combination has created valuable coins many times before that if you have jars, rolls, or old pocket change from the early 2000s, this is exactly the type of coin worth a second look. Not every piece will be special, but the right one can change how you see modern coin collecting forever. And now, here's the number that makes people stop and listen. In the right condition, with the right characteristics, this 2004 D. Jefferson Nickel has been valued at up to $1,209.